Alright, you guys, how to change a 2011 Kia Sportage door handle. Do you want to get me the one? Alright, so basically, there's going to be a little tab right here, the side door. Pop that open. You're going to take out the screwdriver, or take out the screw 1, take out the screw 2. You're going to grab the handle, open it. There's going to be like a little door cover. See your door cover. You're gonna have to get it through here, pop it, it pops open, grab the door handle, or you have to undo the screws. So there's gonna be 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. After you do the 3 screws, god damn, there's gonna be a opening here for you. You put the screwdriver in, and then this is gonna pop. Follow the screwdriver all the way to the left until you feel something. So this is gonna be a pop. Keep going until you feel this piece, or right here down the middle. Pop. Now go over the hump, keep going, pop it. Over the hump, keep going, pop it. So there's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Of course, this is backwards, so please think about it. Pop, 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 pop. So you guys already seen it. Once you're done doing that, you're gonna have to take this piece off. It takes off, put the screwdriver through here in this corner, slowly pry it open, literally slides off. Once you're done doing that, you need to get a helper to help you lift up the little door cover. As you're getting help, this is gonna be the old piece that's broken, piece of shit. Getting help. This is gonna be retained inside, so you need somebody holding the door, so you could remove the 4 screws on the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, 5 right here, the one that you guys already removed. And then the door is gonna be held on. The door handle is gonna be held on by this clip. You undo the clip, it comes right off, and then put the new one right back in. And then do everything in reverse order. All right, have a good one, you guys. All right, so you literally snap on the piece, match this guide, snap it on. Once you're done snapping it on, make sure it works. So, it works. All right, and then now everything's gonna be in reverse order. You can have somebody hold on to the door. As you're holding onto the door, you're gonna screw the 4 screws in the back, and then push on from there. And of course, reconnect your fucking wires. How'd you guys? How'd you guys? I'll put everything back in. So bam, that's gonna go in there. The screw is gonna go in there. Screw is gonna go in here. What else? So there's only 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. Once you're done with that, we just need to pop this back in. There we go. It's popped back in, and then you put the little cover back in here, and put this cover back in there, and we'll be good to go. Alright, you guys, I'm back. So door handles is going to be the part number, the one at the bottom, the handle A. They're not that expensive. So yeah, again, we're back. Got the door handle. It's gonna be right there. Kilo 82610 3 whiskey 000, or right there. Fuck that place. All right, but we got it going on. Don't buy Kia. Everything's made out of fucking plastic. It is what it is.